On MH trains here, and today I'm at Wedgwood on the West Coast Main Line, where you'll be seeing services by Avanti West Coast, Cross Country and London North Western Railway. We're currently out approaching an Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, and a train from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly. And here we go. If I stick you through here, there you're on. It feels like you're on the platform. Country Voyager. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
Come on, look. See if we can make it go. Bah, bah. Yeah? Shall we? Come on, give us a bah, bah.
Yes! Oh. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. That last train that we were expecting to be this service was a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Paignton. As I say, the last service that we saw that we were expecting to be this service was a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Paignton. Yeah, Piccadilly to Paignton. And again, it's not. It's a London North Western Railway service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street. $353.72. Okay, we've got another train coming now, and this should hopefully be the Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. So hopefully this will be it this time. Right, here we go. It's a cross-country Voyager. And there is a chance this will also be the Piccadilly to Euston service. And as you know, at the moment, we haven't had a chance to see a 390 at all in this video so far. But this will hopefully be a 390 coming next. Now, we can just stand here and wait. Okay, here's the 390 now. This will be 390 148 Flying Scousman. Thank you. Right, we now have another train coming through. So, I'm gonna go. So, I'm gonna check real-time trains to see what this service is. Okay, I've seen what we have. We have a London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street Crewe. And then an Avanti West Coast Pendolino service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Here's the 350. $352.65. And we're staying down. So, I'll see you for the 390. Voyager! And we're going back up. That Voyager was out from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. So I will now see you for the 390. Right, passing through now will hopefully be the 390. And as you can tell, I've moved to the northbound side of the station to get it through. We've got a new alarm tone. See, I am liking the new alarm. So let's get back up here for the 390. Well, the lights are green at Barlaston, so it could be something else. Or it could be two at the same time. I hear something. 390. That's 390 135 City of Lancaster. So I'll see you for the next train. The barriers are going back down already. See, I am liking the new alarm. So let's see what we've got in store on this next service. So I'll see you when the next train gets here. It's another 390. This ain't gonna be fun. (390-131) City of Liverpool. Oh, another train coming. So I don't know what this service is, but like I said, we're diverted trains with Sam's Luxe Trains and More. It's going to be a mystery service. So what is this mystery service going to be? Here we go, another train coming. Hey, lights are on green at Barlaston. And it's at Cross Country Voyager. Okay, here we go. And a Pendolino.